much for making us win sa 7th VP Choice Award. First of all, thank you so much to VP Choice Award.
Bonggang-bongga nga at narinig po natin ang papapasalamat ni na Kim Chiu at Paolo Abellino dahil kahit mahigit isang taon na ang My Love Will Make You Disappear ay trending na trending pa rin ito at talagang humahakot ng awards sa kanilang dalawa pati na rin sa direktor na si Direk Chad Pidanes. Sa post nga ni Kim Chiu nakalagay na a special thank you to all the Kim Pao fam all over the world. Your love and support are truly appreciated. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. To be rich people, thank you for all these recognitions. Sorry we are not able to attend the event last week. To My Love Will Make You Disappear family, thank you, congrats also. Ito ang mga natanggap nilang panalo. Movie of the Year, Movie Actress of the Year, Movie Actor of the Year, Movie Director of the Year, and Sexiest Male and Female Artist in the Philippines. Nag-congrats naman si Direk Chad at sinabing congrats guys, I miss you both. Well, happy nga dahil napakaraming award na natanggap ng Kim Pao at nanguna na nga dyan ay ang isa sa pinakamagandang pelikulang My Love Will Make You Disappear at sila rin ang Actor and Actress of the Year at nag-first place sila parehas sa pinaka-sexing artista.